Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are doing great. So today's video is a brain boosting activity. But before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. This video is in both languages, Hindi and English. So if you want to watch in English, continue with this. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, जाइए उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और आप पूरी वीडियो हिंदी में देख पाएंगे, राइट? सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड with our activity. So for this activity here I'm using different shape, but initially for the level 1 I'll be using only two shapes, circle and a rectangle. So I will put them in this position, right? And here on circle the child has to put his hand like this, and on rectangle the child will put the hand like this, right? So child will start with a slow pace and then he will do it a bit faster like this, as you could see in the video. Yeah, after that this is basically a level 1. So after that we were going to do the level 2 of this activity using the same shapes. So again the child will do the same hand movement here. So on circle the hand should be like this, and on rectangle the hand should be like this. Fine. So the child will do it nicely, as you could see in the video, right? So this would be bit challenging for the child, as this is a level 2 activity. After this, for the level 3 I'll be using some different shapes. So here, as you could see, they are oval and other shapes. So the child will put the hands on this like this, right? And on oval shape the hand should be like this. Be sure that it should not be like this but like this. Fine. So the child will do like this, as you could see. Fine. Now again, to make it more challenging, again I'm shuffling the shapes, and now the child will do the same as we have done earlier when we were using circle and rectangle. So like this child will do the hand movements. So these are basically very fine activities for the hand and eye coordinations. Now to make it more challenging, I'm going to use all the shapes all together, right? So here I'm putting circle and rectangle, and then I will be arranging all other shapes like this. Yeah, and then I will be using another rectangle here and a circle also, right? So now there are many hand movements in one activity, right? So child have to be very alert while doing the hand movements, right? And his hand and eye coordination, his brain exercise, development of his brain, everything is going simultaneously. So child will take care of the hand movements and he will do like this. Fine. In the same way, if you want to make it bit more challenging, you can use all other shapes as well, and you can add as much as shapes in it, right? So for example, if I add the remaining two shapes also, so I will put them here. Yeah, and it would be more challenging like this, as you could see. So the child have to think when he do the hand movements, and to be much faster his brain should work accordingly, is hand and eye coordination, right? So I hope you find this useful. So please give it a big thumbs up, and if you like, then share it with your family and friends. Initially when I had given this activity to Amish, he find it little bit difficult, but as we have added this activity in our daily routine, so these days he is doing good. But at the first time when I had given him this activity, I found it a bit difficult, right? So now let's see how Amish has done this at very first time. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you try this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.